Most of us cringe at the thought of replacing a roof, especially with the costs and all the labor and materials being so high right now with everything that's gone on with inflation. Being proactive can really increase the lifespan and prevent leaks. Twice a year, I recommend going up on the roof safely, and as long as you're comfortable, and checking for any loose or curled shingles. Check your box vents that they don't have any birds nesting in them. The shingles are laying flat, and this bottom flange of the vent is on top of the course right below it. A lot of times I see they're installed incorrectly, where this course is covering this flange where water can run behind it instead of over. Gutters are tightly secured to the home. The same thing with plumbing vents, that this bottom flange should be on top of the shingle, just like the box vents. The boot doesn't have any splitting or cracking where water can get in. If there's any caulking that was done, touching that up, the way that these should be installed, you shouldn't need the caulking, but if there is caulking, it's always best to touch that up. And then put a cage on top of here, just so that the leaves or maybe any animals like squirrels or mice don't accidentally fall down your plumbing stack. If your house doesn't have box vents like you see here, and you have a ridge vent going along the peak, is checking that and making sure it's securely fastened to the roof. If you have a chimney and it has counter flashing around it, that it's all secured, it's not corroded. Caulking over any exposed fasteners. Roofs can be a dangerous place, so please be careful when you're up there. If you have a high roof like you see in the background here, or your roof is too steep to safely walk, call your local roofer, have them come out and inspect it at least once a year. If you don't want to do twice, do at least once a year. Have them inspect it and make any repairs, so that this way we can get the maximum lifespan out of your roof.